So the third chapter, I am starting the third chapter. The chapter name is pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. In two variables. I will start with the second exercise, but after doing the second exercise I will come back to the first exercise. What do you mean by pair of linear equations? Pair of linear equations means linear equation we studied last year. Linear equation we have studied last year. Definitely I will interact with you. Let me write some 3 or 4 steps. After that I will interact with you. I will ask you questions. You have to reply. Definitely I will ask you questions. So let me write the equations again. X plus y equal to 10. Let me denote it by equation number 1. The second equation is x minus y equal to 2. Let it be equation number 2. What is our question? Find the two numbers whose sum is 10, difference is 2. If you guess and find the value of x and y, it will take time. If you guess the number and try to find x and y, it will take too much time. So without guessing how to find x and y, I will tell you. What we do is, if we are given two equations, we try to add or subtract them. We will either add or subtract them, so that one variable must be eliminated. One of the variable must be eliminated. Either we will try to add or subtract. We will try like that. If I add 1 and 2, listen carefully, I will ask you questions after this. If I add 1 and 2, I mean equation 1 and 2, you just add vertically. Add the number vertically. If you add left side, what you will get? If you add left side, x plus x you will get, correct? X plus x you will get. X plus x will be 2x. Y plus minus y. Y plus minus y will be cancelled. That is why I told you either add or subtract, so that the one of the variable should be eliminated. If you add it, y and minus y will be cancelled. So no need to write y. So if you add left side, you have to add the right side also. You have to add right side also. 10 plus 2 will be 12. So left side is added, so right side is added. Y is eliminated. I got 2x equal to 12. I got 12x equal to 12. Okay. So you know how to find the value of x. 2 into x 12. 2 taken to the other side. X will be 12 by 2. X will be 12 by 2. Correct. Meaning that x equal to 6. I got the value of x. I need y also. Substitute the value of x in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. Let me put x equal to 6 in the first equation. Let me put the value of x 6 in the first equation. 6 plus y equal to 10. 6 plus y equal to 10. I will get y equal to 6, go to the other side, 10 minus 6. Y equal to 4. So if it is asked like this, the two numbers are the sum is 10, difference is 2, what are the number? 6 and 4. You can check it. 6 and 4 are the numbers. Their sum is 10, their difference is 2. So this is the method. So this actually, finding the value of x and y by using this technique is said to be elimination method. This method is said to be elimination method. In most of the questions we prefer elimination method because the elimination method is much easier to solve for x and y. There are other methods. I will explain the other methods later. Let us focus on elimination method. So elimination method is, we will eliminate one of the variable. I will discuss more problems. So you please write down. Next question is find x and y. The question will be like this: find x and y using elimination method. There are other methods, but the preference will be elimination method. Let me write the question. Pair of linear equations are given to us like this: 2x plus 3y equal to 5. 7x plus 3y equal to 10. Initially I want to take a simple questions. Later I will discuss tough question. So this is the question. X and y, we have to solve for x and y. A pair of linear equations are given: 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 7x plus 3y equal to 10. Find the values of x and y. We try to eliminate one of the variable. So let me write the equation again. 2x plus 3y equal to 5, equation number 1. 7x plus 3y is equal to 10, equation number 2. Adding the two equations will not help us. Nothing will be eliminated. If you simply add them, nothing will be eliminated. No. So if I subtract, what happens? Yes, if I subtract 3y minus 3y, it will be cancelled. In the previous question, addition gives y minus y cancels. But if I add, nothing will be cancelled. 3y plus 3y, 6y. 2x plus 7x, 9x. So let us try to subtract. Either subtraction means either 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Anything, no problem. Because subtraction is much better. 3y minus 3y will be, if I subtract, 3y will be cancelled. So either 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Whichever technique you use, you will get the same value, same answer. 2 minus 1 is much better because equation 2 is larger than first. Understood? This is 10, this is 5. 2 is larger than first. So let it be 2 minus 1. So equation 2 minus 1 gives 7x minus 2x. Just subtract like this. 2 minus 1. 7x minus 2x will be 5x. 3y minus 3y cancel. Elimination method. Okay, one of the variable to be eliminated. 3y cancel. Right side 10 minus 5 goes 2 minus 1. 10 minus 5 will be 5. So what happens? X equal to 1. Okay, clear? So coming back to this question, x equal to 1. 5x equal to 5. This 5 go to the other side. 5 go to the other side. X equal to 5 by 5 will be 1. X will be 1. Now I want y also. Substitute the value of x equal to 1 in any of the equation. Substitute the value of x equal to 1 any of the equation. So equation 1 becomes x is 1, right? So this will be 2 into 1, correct? 2 into 1 will be 2 plus 3y equal to 5 plus 3y equal to 5. 2 go to the other side. 3y equal to 5 minus 2 or 3y equal to 3. 3 cancel. 3 go to the other side. Y equal to 1. So the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So this elimination means one of the variable is eliminated. So you please write down. So in this question, first equation is multiply with the 2, both sides. If you multiply both sides, the equation is not affected. The equation still valid if you multiply by the same number. For example, okay, an example is not required. It's a simple fact. It is a simple fact. You are given an equation. If you multiply 2 left side, you must multiply 2 right side. Why I multiply 2? Because 2y 2y will be matching. So left side multiply with 2. 2 times 2x, what is that? 2 times 2x will be 4x, plus 2 times y will be 2y. Each term to be multiplied with 2. I will repeat, but you listen. So right side also multiply with 2. 5 into 2, 10. So what I have done, in the given equation, left side and right side multiplied with 2. The equation that does not affect the equation. Okay, 4x plus 2y equal to 10. You can give the same name or different name, no problem. Modified equation number 1. Okay, you can give the same numbering, or you may write third equation, no problem. Then first equation is just modified. Followed by, let me write the second equation without any change. Below this, let me simply copy the second equation without any change. The second equation simply copied. Okay, understood. Now look at these two equations. Can I eliminate y or x? I can eliminate y. The terms are matching. Sign can be different or same, doesn't matter. The terms must be matching for the elimination. It is necessary. Either the terms of x must be matching or terms of y must be matching. The sign can be plus or minus, that doesn't matter. Either by addition or subtraction we will eliminate. So by subtraction we can eliminate 2y. 1 minus 2. What is this 1 minus 2? Why I subtract? 2y minus 2y will be cancelled, correct? 2y minus 2y will be eliminated. 2y will be eliminated. So left side I am going to subtract. 4x minus 3x will be x. I will interact with you, but you listen. I will ask, you can ask me doubts after this. 4x minus 3x is what? X. Understood. 2y minus 2y cancel. Left side subtracted, so you have to subtract right side also. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. I got the value of x. X as 2. Now I want the value of y. X equal to 2, what is the value of y? Substitute the value of x equal to 2 in any of the equation. Let it be first equation. Substitute the value of x in the first equation. The first equation becomes this one, first one. This one or second one, anything. X equal to 2 into 2, correct? 2 into 2 will be 4. Plus y equal to 5. Or 4 taken to the other side, y equal to 1. So the values of x and y are x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Okay, all of you please listen. We have to find the values of x and y. Two equations are given. I want to solve the two equations. Let me write the equations again. First equation is x plus y equal to 5. Equation number 1. The second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Equation number 2. Clear? Sherwin, Benedict, you please remove your raised handing. Okay. So listen, I want to solve it. The terms are not matching. Understood? The terms are not matching. X to x, different terms. Y minus 3y, not matching. So initially the elimination is not possible, but if I multiply the first equation by 3, like previous question, if I multiply equation 1 by 3, you will get 3y here. Correct? You will get 3y here. So that 3y and 3y both are matching. Sign, whatever may be the sign, it's not important. y 3y, if I multiply the first equation by 3, this term becomes 3y. So that 3y will be matching, so elimination will be easier. So let me multiply the first equation by 3. First equation is multiplied by with 3, both sides, not a single side, both sides. So first equation is multiplied by 3, 3 into x. Each term to be multiplied with 3. 3 into x will be 3x. Plus 3 into y will be 3y. Right side also. 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. Understood. Modified equation 1. You can give the same name or you may give a different name, whatever may be. Modified equation 1. Okay. 3x plus 3y equal to 15. The second equation, I don't want to make any modification. I am just copying the second one. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Simply copying the second equation. Now, we can eliminate. Correct? We can eliminate by adding them. I want to ensure. 1 minute. Okay. Now, look here. Can we eliminate any variable? Y can be easily eliminated. 3y minus 3y. If I add them, 3y will be eliminated. 3y plus minus 3y will be cancelled by addition. So equation 1 plus 2 gives, equation 1 plus 2 gives 3x plus 2x will be 5x. And 3y minus 3y cancels. 15 plus 4, 19. In most of the textbook questions, we will not get a good answer. We will get fractions. We will get fractions. So you should not make any mistake. You must be careful. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 3y cancel. 15 plus 4 is 19. So 5 go to the other side, you will get x equal to 19 by 5. No need to divide, you can write like this, 19 by 5, fraction. Benedict correct, Maya correct. Now x equal to 19 by 5, substitute x in any of the equation. Substitute the value of x in any of the equation. Let me put here x equal to 19 by 5. 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. I substitute the value of x in the first equation. 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. 19 by 5 go to the right side. Y equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. Y equal to what? 5 minus 19 by 5. You know, you are familiar with the addition and subtraction of fractions, right? 5 is 5 by 1. Is there any mistake? If I write 5 as 5 by 1, no mistake. The fraction, the subtraction you studied in the lower classes. How will you do the subtraction? You have to cross multiply like this. You studied actually, do the cross multiplication like this. Like this. 5 into 5, 25. After that, there is a negative, minus is there. Then do the cross multiplication like this. If you don't understand, you can tell me after this discussion. 5 into 5 minus 19 into 1. All divided by 1 into 5. Denominators to be multiplied. 1 into 5, 5. Y equal to, what is this? What is this? This is 6 by 5. So I got the values of x and y. X equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. I got the values of x and y. Okay. Listen, look at this question. Find the values of x and y. I'm going to use elimination method. the actually elimination method is much better compared to the other method. We will learn other techniques, but generally elimination method is better. So let me write the equations. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Equation number 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y, correct, equal to 2. Equation number 2. Now listen this question. First equation is simply copied without any change. The second equation is multiplied by 2. 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Okay, I got it. Now look at these two equations. You can see that 4y, same terms, we can eliminate by adding them, because not by subtraction, by adding. 4y plus minus 4y cancel, correct? 4y minus 4y cancel. Manish, so I am going to add 1 and 2. I am going to add 1 and 2. You will get 3x plus 4x. What is that? 3x plus 4x will be 7x. And 4y minus 4y cancel, correct? Addition, right side 10 plus 4 will be 14. 7x equal to 14. Or x equal to 14 by 7, correct? Or x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Now substitute the value of x equal to 2 in any of the equation. Whichever equation you select, your answer will be same, okay? X equal to 2 in the first equation. I am going to substitute x equal to 2 in the first equation. This becomes 3 into 2, correct? 3 into 2 will be 6. Plus 4y equal to 10. 4y equal to 10. 6 plus 4y equal to 10. I substitute the value of x equal to 2 in the first one. Rearranging 4y equal to 10 minus 6. 4 or y equal to 1. So the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y equal to 1. The next problem is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Let me do some rearrangement. We prefer while doing the solution, finding the solution, we prefer both x and y present in the left hand side. Both x and y present in the left side, and that number must be in the other side. We prefer that. In that case, the solution solving will be much better, much easier. X and y should be there in the left side, the number alone to be in the right side. We prefer that. So it is not like that. So okay, let us do some arrangement. Can I take this minus 4 to the other side? Is there any mistake? No mistake. If I take this minus 4 to the other side, there is no mistake. So minus 4 taken to the other side. The first equation, 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Equation number 1. We prefer x and y, both x and y in the left hand side. Let me take this 2y alone. 2y is taken to the left hand side. If I take 2y to the left hand side, we get 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Equation number 2. Now x and y are there in the left side, the number alone in the right side. Clear? So listen. So what I have done, minus 4 is taken to the other side. I want the variable in the left side. Number alone should be there in the right side. Here 2y is taken to the left side. 9x minus 2y equal to 7. The terms are not matching. 3x, 9x, they are different. 5y, 2y, they are different. So it's very hard to make these two terms matching. The terms containing y is very hard, okay, understood. By simply multiplying by any number, I cannot make this and this matching. But look here, 3x and 9x is there. One of the variable to be eliminated. It is not necessary that y should be eliminated. We can eliminate x also. Anyway, one of the variable should be eliminated. It can be x also. So the elimination of x is much convenient here. Why? Because the first equation is multiplied with 3. This becomes 9x. 3 into 3x becomes 9x. So 9x, 9x matching. So elimination will be easier. So the first equation is multiplied with 3, both sides. Okay. Okay. So the first equation is multiplied with 3, both sides. So 3 into 3x multiplying with 3. 3 into 3x will be 9x. Minus 3 into 5y. 3 into 5y will be 15y. Equal to 3 into 4 will be 12. Modified equation 1. Or you can give the number as 3, equation 3. Okay. Anyway, 1 is just modified. The second equation, no change, simply copying the second equation. Second equation is written. Now, how to eliminate one variable? Subtraction, right? 9x minus 9x will be cancelled. Don't add them. 9x plus 9x will not be cancelled. But 9x minus 9x, in that case 9x will be cancelled. So subtraction, either 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Anything, no problem. Equation 1 minus 2 gives 9x minus 9x cancels. When you do the subtraction, you must be careful, otherwise you will make mistake. The sign should be considered. 1 minus 2, here there is minus 15y, correct? I will write all the important steps. Minus of minus 2y. Minus of minus 2y. Is it okay? First minus second. So minus 15 minus of minus 2y. Right side 12 minus 7. What is that? 5. So minus 15y minus minus becomes plus. 2y equal to 5. Fraction, you will get fraction. Minus 15 plus 2 will be minus 13y is equal to 5. If you don't understand, you please tell me, I will explain. Minus 15 plus 2 is actually minus 13. Y equal to minus 13, go to the other side, 5 by minus 13. Remember, y equal to, if there is division, the minus can be kept in the denominator side or numerator side. Both are same thing. This step is not necessary. The last step is not necessary. If there is division, the minus sign can be kept either in the denominator or in the numerator. No change in that, okay? No change in value in that case. Okay. So, the next step is, I got y equal to minus 5 by 13. There is a fraction. You must be careful. In the first equation, I am substituting 3x minus 5y equal to 4. 3x minus 5y. What is that y? What is that y? Y is minus 5 by 13, correct? Minus 5 by 13. Don't leave the class. Let me complete it. Minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. 3x minus 5 into y. Y is minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. 3x. You know that minus into minus becomes plus. It's studied in the lower classes. Minus into minus. Minus minus becomes plus. 5 into 5, 25 by 13 is equal to 4. 3x will be this 25 by 13 to be taken to the right side. You will get 4 minus 25 by 13. Or you may write 4 by 1. You know, the subtraction or addition of fractions. We do like this, multiplication, cross multiplication. 4 into 13 will be 52. Minus. Then after that, again cross multiplication. Like this. 25 into 1, 25. By 1 into 13, denominator 30. So 3x equal to, what is this? 27, correct? By 30. This 3 can be taken, these are the simple steps. 3 taken to the other side. 3 becomes 1 by 3 in the other side. 3 becomes 1 by 3 in the other side. So the value of x will be 27 by 3, 9. 9 by 30. So I got the value of x and y. X is 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay.